Oh, hi everybody, welcome to another video. Over the last sort of year or so since we've been in videos, we've been quite conservative, quite safe with some of the mods we've done. But today we're going to be a little bit controversial, and we might end up creating a bit of Marmite in terms of what people think of the car. You're either going to hate this or you're going to love it. So thanks to Drew at Modfix for a little bit of inspiration. But last little sort of while, the Maxton splitter that I've got has had a few run-ins with a few speed bumps around my area. More and more seem to be going there, more and more seem to be getting higher, and yep, ended up clipping it, broke it off, and in the current climate couldn't really afford to replace it with another Maxton. So I've went for an eBay special and got myself a universal splitter kit and side skirt kit as well. So, you know, like most universal kits, these come in sort of sections, not really completely designed for the car, but you can try and make it fit, cut bits off, and that's what we're planning to do today. So the side skirts come in kind of various sections. They do have these, almost like a connector, so you can kind of hook this on, create that join, and then what you do get is this kind of bracket, just to help keep that together, so it's not going to pop off, and you actually have a couple of screws to go in here as well. And then if you are cutting it, you do get these kind of end plates, so that you can actually, if you've got a cut, put that on, and you'd think it was meant to be like that. The front bumper splitter kit comes in three sections. So we're going to get the side part, two side parts, and then this middle section. Now you don't have any connectors or kind of cutouts that you can actually join these together, so these just pretty much have to be sort of drilled and pinned together. So we're going to offer up to the car, see where we need to cut. I do think on the side kit, I think I need to cut here, just so that it fits. It's about 2.2 metres long. Each of these kits, the front splitter kit was £35 off eBay, and the side kit was also £35 off of eBay. So pretty much a bargain, considering what it's going to look like, and comparing that to like a Maxton kit. Albeit I'm going to do a lot of the work to make it fit, where the Maxton comes pretty much ready to fit to the car. So let's have a look and see how we get on. So I forgot to mention, the actual side skirt kit comes with a kind of plastic trim that goes all the way around, and you can see where these are sort of studded through. So it's not a bit of tape, it's actually a kind of plastic trim. But on the front, this is actually just some good old tape. So this come just gloss black, and I've added the tape on to match the side skirt, so see how it looks when it goes on. So on the underside of the side splitter kit, remember I said a couple of screws go in here, and then actually this kind of support bracket, it goes across like that, and then when you're actually putting the screws or self-tappers into the car, put them through here, and that's the same on the other side as well. So I've cut this end section, and like I said, you have this end piece that goes on, so it kind of hides the ugly kind of cut that you're going to do. So I'm fortunate that I've got the kind of mud flap here, so any cut or anything I was doing to that kit, if it was really ugly, you wouldn't really see it because it's getting hidden by the flap. But because that end cap's been as part of the kit, I'm going to just stick it on anyway. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. So it's worth actually putting just some double-sided tape on the side skirt once you've got it in position, just so that it holds it there, and then you can just worry about getting the self-tapping screws in. Those little brackets that I showed you earlier, there's 2 for each of the sections, so just make sure you use them, and then you've got those other brackets that actually firm up the join of each of the sections. So let's get drilling. So that's the driver's side on. Quite happy with that. It is a bit fiddly, just to get the right length, make sure you cut it right, make sure that you've got the side skirt out enough so it doesn't start to foul the jacking points. But other than that, quite happy. Let's get on to the passenger side. So that's that one on as well. Again, relatively simple to do, just a little bit fiddly initially, just to get the right sizes and get the right position. But again, a bit of double-sided tape just to keep it in position, and then you can just worry about getting those self-tappers in. Let's get on to the front. Front's a little bit more harder to get, again because you've got those 3 sections and none of them really link up. So what I did is I just got this side up, got some double-sided tape on it. Same with the other side, tried to match it up. And then again I've got some double-sided tape on the bottom lip. And relatively happy with the position of it. So we'll go and get some self-tappers in it, and hopefully that should be us, and I'll show you the finished article. So that's all the self-tappers in, everything's all fitted, and before I show you the finished article, a few little shout outs. Drew Modfix, for a little bit of the inspiration for this video. He put them on his FN2 and really looked really good, and I thought, you know what, let's go for it, why not. We've also got Cowabunga Car Diaries. If you haven't checked those guys out, go ahead and check their channel out. Some great content on there and a really good laugh as well. We've got Gareth Expression Culture. Go ahead and check his channel out. Loads of Honda content on there, and not just, we've got CRZ, we've got Honda Jazz, we've got the Honda Civic as well. So go ahead and check him out. And we've got FN2. So FN2 was probably one of the first channels I kind of watched that got me into all this. So yeah, go ahead and check him out. Can't forget our sponsors, Danny and Rich at Dynodaze, and Matt at Tactical Racing as well. Go ahead and check them out. I'll put a link to their websites below, but go ahead and check out their YouTube content as well, so some really good stuff in there. We've got Robster VTech, who else? Dazar, Barnsey FN2, I'm going to forget loads. But yeah, go ahead and check these channels out. Some really good content in there. And then for this one, here's the finished article of the splitter kit. So that's it for another one. Let me know what you think in the comments of this eBay universal kit. Like I say, it's a bit of an economic buster at the minute. £35 for the front set, £35 for the side skirt, so can't really complain at that. But yeah, it's kind of went along the lines of the look I was going for the car. I was originally looking at the Maxton kits or even the Flow Design kit that's out there. But yeah, times are a bit tough at the moment, and if you still want to mod your car, you've got to think of different options, which I have today. So yeah, let me know what you think, and yeah, stay tuned for some more content. If you haven't liked already, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and just hit that notification bell and you'll see some upcoming videos. Some of them may be for the back of the car, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, thanks for watching until now, and I'll catch you all later.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.